Okay, I'm trying to help you out with this one. There are a couple options to replace a sewer line without spending a fortune. So sewer line replacement can be super expensive. This is something that does come up sometimes. Sometimes on home inspections, there's a slow drain. Like, hey, you might want to scope the sewer line. They do, and they realize it's collapsing because a lot of older homes have this clay pipe, sometimes called Orangeburg pipe, which basically is a ticking time bomb. But some cities, some municipalities have programs for this, right? So this video is to encourage you to check into that. So there could be two different options. You could have the option to pay for a type of insurance, which you obviously, like insurance, you have to pay for it ahead of time before the event occurs. But you might only have to pay like $8 to $10 a month. And it's basically saying, hey, if my sewer line collapses and is no longer working, then they come out and either pay for it completely or give you a certain amount of money towards replacement. The other option is if it's already collapsed, you're already in dire straits, sometimes there are grant programs available. And once again, go down to your city, tell them what's going on, ask them if they have a program for replacing old clay sewer lines, because in a way it's their fault for installing them way back in the day, right? So sometimes they're willing to share the burden with you through some type of grant. Whether it be city or state, you'll have to check into that. But it's worth checking into. I do know people who've had this done, and it might save you $4,000 to $10,000. So if that happens, go down there and check. You will have to apply, but hey, if you end up saving the money, it's worth it. And if you don't, you're already in a bad situation anyway. Good luck.